Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are making puff puff. Guys, this is very simple. You can just do it in the blink of an eye. So in here I added my flour, my sugar, my yeast and a little bit of salt, and then I will also add powdered milk in it. You can use any brand you have. Mix all the dry ingredients together and then go ahead and start adding in water bit by bit so that you do not end up with a runny batter. As you can see, the batter is ready, so I'll just cover it up and let it rise. Maybe let it sit like 30 minutes or more than that, and I'll get back to you. And the batter is ready. I've already heated up my oil, so I'll just start scooping the puffs and throwing them in the oil, and then that is it, guys. So we have come to the end of today's video. If you find this video helpful, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video.